thing, you want to understand not just what other workbooks link to your current workbook, but the structure within the workbook you're interested in. So again, we have this workbook sales summary that has cumulative sales through each quarter. And what we're interested in is trying to understand how the various worksheets of this workbook fit together, as well as how other workbooks feed into this workbook. So it's very simple. We just do worksheet relationship and click there, and you get this nice picture. Now you can drag things if you don't think it looks nice, and you can adjust the size there. Okay. If you click on layout nodes here, if you don't see those nodes there. So you can see we have the sales summary workbook, and then there's 4 worksheets. And basically, in each of the worksheets in the summary, data for that quarter sales feeds into that worksheet. But within the workbook, Q1, sales through Q1 will feed into sales through Q2. Sales through Q2 will feed into sales through Q3. Sales through Q3 will feed into sales through Q4. And this gives us a great summary of the linkage between the worksheets within the workbook and the other workbooks feeding into the current workbook.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.